Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a problem-solving type question using the rules of exponents, and with that in mind, let's dive straight into the question. So they've said to us, show without using a calculator that the 12th root of 10 times the 6th root of 640 times the 4th root of 810 times the square root of 40 is equal to 120. So I'm going to rewrite this out, and while I do that, I'm going to think through how to approach this question. While I do, try and see if you can spot some of the things that may prove useful or some of the things that you notice. Now, writing that out, I've noticed that there are some cool numbers that I really like. Okay, 64, 81, 4, you know what those are. Those are your perfect squares. And what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to rewrite this where I break up the numbers inside these brackets to see how I can make use of this 0 as well with this 10 at the front. Okay, so let's see. So we've got the 12th root of 10 times, then we're going to have the 6th root of 64 times the 6th root of 10. Okay, so what have I done there? I've simply seen that 64 times 10 is 640, and then I'm able to split my root over the two of those. I'm going to do the same thing here. So the 4th root of 81 times the 4th root of 10. And then I've got the same thing here as the square root of 4 and the square root of 10, right? I want to go one step further. I'm going to look at these numbers and I'm going to write them as product of prime factors. Okay, so we're going to do that now. So our 64, how can we rewrite 64? That's 2 to the 6. So that will become very useful for us. Great. Then how can we rewrite 81? That's 3 to the 4. So that's also very useful. I'm hoping you're seeing that. Okay. And then we've got the 2 squared and root 10. So we've got really good stuff here. I'm going to get rid of my surds now using the surd rule. So it's going to be 10 to the 1 over 12 times 2 to the 6 over 6 times 10 to the 1 over 6 times 3 to the 4 over 4 times 10 to the 1 over 4 times 2 to the 2 over 2 times 10 to the 1 over 2. Fantastic. All right, so let's see what we can do now. Do you notice we've got those tens? So remember, when we've got powers with the same base, we add up those exponents. So the 1 over 12 plus the 1 over 6 plus the 1 over 4 plus the 1 over 2, when we plug that into our calculator, we will get 12 over 12. Fantastic. That's multiplied by, now let's look at our other powers with different bases. So we've got 2 to the 6 over 6, which is simply 2. Then we've got 3 to the 4 over 4, which is simply 3. And then we've got 2 to the 2 over 2, which is simply 2. Okay, fantastic. That then gives us 10 to the power of 1, because those 12s simplified is 1 times 2 times 3 times 2. So we have 2 times 3 gives us 6, times 2 gives us 12, 10 times 12 gives us 120. So without the use of a calculator, we were able to show, using our rules of exponents, how to get to 120 using the very complicated looking expression that they gave us. Nicely done. Very, very well earned 4 marks. Thank you so much to our sponsors. Read all about them in the description below. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.